Gurneet Singh, my father, the head chef and owner of Gem of India. And today, What's Cooking Local is here with us. We are making chicken tikka masala and chai tea. So we will get started. So far we've got cumin seeds and olive oil. A teaspoon garlic and ginger is being added, and you let that simmer for a bit. Onions, a teaspoon. You wait for it to turn brown before you put the next step in, which is turmeric powder and garam masala. Next is black pepper and a little bit of red chili powder. Chicken is already pre-cooked, and we will put about 16 cubes in there, diced however you want. You can even dice it, or you can just make cubes of it. All the olive and the spices we've put in has been marinated into the chicken. And next comes the tomato gravy. And this is a onion gravy, which is basically onions grinded up together with lime juice. And then we just add 8 ounces of whipping cream. You can also use any other type of whipping cream or yogurt even if you're health conscious, or you can just put even half a serving of 8 ounces if you would like. And that's basically it, and you just let it simmer until it turns the orange color that you need, and you top it off with fenugreek for more taste and aroma. This is Navikar and Gurneet Singh from Gem of India, and that's What's Cooking Local.